This factory processes over 2 million square inches of leather every single day, but the process starts in a place most people would never expect.
Most people will never see where luxury leather begins. It doesn't begin in a showroom. It begins here.
These hides are salted within hours of collection. Without it, the material degrades before it ever reaches the factory.
Every single hide in this truck is tagged, tracked, and assigned to a specific production batch. Nothing in this factory moves without a number.
What you're looking at right now is worth almost nothing. What it becomes at the end of this line is worth thousands of dollars per square foot in the luxury market.
Before a single machine touches these hides, they go through a 24-hour holding and inspection process. Rejected hides never make it past this room. The soaking process rehydrates hides that have been salt preserved for days. The water temperature here has to be exact, too cold.
Within minutes of submersion, the hide begins to change. Everything the animal carried, every mineral,
This is the liming stage. Lime solution breaks down the hair follicles and loosens the...
These drums rotate for up to 18 hours. The constant mechanical agitation forces the lime solution into
Every drop of chemical waste in this facility is captured, neutralized, and processed through an on-site water treatment plant.
One mistake here, but move it. One slip of the hand frame, and the blade doesn't distinguish between leather and fingers.
At full capacity, this station processes 1 hide every 90 seconds. That's 40 hides per hour per machine.
$. Donkey hide is significantly thicker than cattle hide, which is why it's valued for luxury goods. The splitting machine
Every worker on this floor completes 40 hours of safety training before they touch a single machine. Even then, they're supervised for their first 90 days.
You're looking at the same hides that arrived covered in salt and dirt. The liming has completely stripped the surface layer. What's left is pure collagen fiber.
The baiting enzymes work like a biological reset, softening the fiber structure and preparing the hide to accept tanning agents uniformly.
Pickling sounds simple. It's not. If you rush the pH drop, you get acid damage that won't show up until the hide is fully tanned. Chrome tanning is the most common method, but this facility uses a proprietary vegetable tanning process for their luxury-grade leather.
The machines don't sleep. The drums rotate through 2 full worker shifts before the tanning cycle is complete.
This moment, the first flex test after tanning, tells an experienced worker everything. A good tan feels like this.
At 800 psi, this press removes 40% of the residual moisture from the hide in under 30.
Every hide that comes off this machine is 1.2 millimeters thick, or it doesn't leave this station. The color you see on a finished luxury leather bag starts here, in a rotating drum, in an industrial facility in the American. Color consistency isn't aesthetic, it's contractual. If a batch of leather ships to a luxury brand and the dye varies,
Fat liquoring is what gives leather its suppleness. Without it, the collagen fibers dry rigid.
This machine does in 15 seconds what a craftsman with hand tools takes 20 minutes to do. But the worker at the end of...
The drying tunnel controls moisture reduction at a rate of 2% per minute. Too fast and the hide shrinks unevenly. After the drying tunnel, the hides need to breathe. The conditioning room lets the moisture level stabilize naturally before the finishing process begins.
72 hours, that's all it takes to go from this and to this.
Only a handful of factories in the world use a staking machine at this scale. Most operations use hand staking.
The milling drum is the closest thing to hand-working leather that a factory can achieve at scale. The wooden slats replicate the...
The coating system applies 5 separate layers in sequence, each one dried by infrared lamps before the next is applied.
these aren't standard heat lamps. Each panel is tuned to a specific infrared frequency that cures only the coating film.
This embossing press can replicate the surface texture of any exotic leather at a tolerance of 0.1.
This scanning system can detect a surface defect smaller than 2 square millimeters, a scratch, a thin spot, a coating.
Every hide gets a human judgment call before it moves to cutting. The machine finds the defect. The worker decides what it means.
Metal contamination is a critical risk in leather production. Broken blade fragments from splitting and shaving machines.
Every single hide in this facility has a complete digital record, from the farm where it arrived through every chemical batch.
The cutting layout is generated by software that calculates the maximum possible yield from each unique hide shape.
One die cutting press produces 480 identical leather panels per hour at 8 production presses running simultaneously.
The edge you feel on a luxury leather good is only possible if the leather has been skived to exactly the right taper. Too thick and the fold cracks.
1 hour of production in this facility equals what a small artisan workshop produces in a week. Not because the workers here are faster.
The adhesive bond has to cure exactly 60 seconds in open air before the panels can be pressed together. 45 seconds and
The stitching specification on these luxury goods calls for 8 stitches per inch, the same standard used by hand.
Every visible edge in a luxury leather product gets 5 separate finishing steps. Most consumers never notice the edge.
Hardware failure is the #1 reason luxury goods are returned. Every rivet in this facility is set to 680 newtons of compression. 4,217 finished luxury goods produced today, each one traceable to a specific donkey hide from a specific farm.
1 in every 50 units fails final inspection and goes to rework. In most industries, that rejection rate would be.
The rework station is where the most experienced hands in this factory work. Every person here has completed at least 5 years on the production line.
The packaging process begins the moment the product leaves the factory's production environment. From this point, every acid-free tissue, not decorative, not branded, purely functional, designed to prevent surface abrasion and chemical transfer during storage and transit.
The box alone costs $4.80 to produce. The tissue is $0.15. The product inside can retail for $12.
Every sealed box is linked to a specific production record. If a quality issue is ever reported in the field, this factory can
12 units per case. Each case weighs 28 pounds fully loaded. At full production capacity, this station packs 340 cases per shift.
This facility ships only full pallets. Partial pallets are held until the pallet is complete. It's not logistic. The stretch wrap isn't optional. This facility has a documented case study where an unwrapped pallet shifted during transport.
At any given time, this warehouse holds 60,000 finished units in inventory, representing approximately 100.
These trucks go to distribution centers in 14 countries. The product that started as a raw hide on a farm less than 2 weeks ago.
This started as a raw donkey hide, salted, dirty, worth almost nothing.